So the lockdown has been extended. It's been extended till the 17th of May, but it is a phased extension, something we've been talking about all week long. So some things will be shut down all across the country, like interstate travel or sports or restaurants or hotels or religious gatherings. But for other activities, there will be a lot of relaxation in the green zone, a little less in the orange, and far less in the red zone. Let's quickly tell you everything that the government has actually announced now and the rest of the day's stories.
The Ministry of Home Affairs on Friday issued an order under the Disaster Management Act 2005 to extend the nationwide lockdown for a further period of 2 weeks beyond the 4th of May. MHA has also issued guidelines to regulate different activities during this period. India will remain under lockdown till the 17th of May. Containment plans will be followed as per MHA guidelines for designated red, orange and green zones. Nationwide train and air travel will remain suspended along with interstate movement by roads. The Home Ministry order says no essential movement will be allowed between 7 am to 7 pm. Schools, colleges, coaching institutes will also remain closed. Cinema halls, gyms and malls will also remain closed. The Union Home Ministry has amended its lockdown guidelines to allow interstate movement in an attempt to help people facing hardships reach their hometowns. Students, migrant workers, pilgrims have been allowed to travel by train. About 10 million migrant workers are stranded across the country according to states. The new guidelines will come into effect from the 4th of May. The Home Ministry also added that 62 lakh tons of food grains have been picked up by states and they have been told to allow movement of trucks with essential goods.
आज गृह मंत्रालय ने आदेश जारी कर उन लोगों की आवाजाही की अनुमति रेल द्वारा भी दी है जो लॉकडाउन की वजह से फंसे हुए हैं, जैसे स्टूडेंट्स, माइग्रेंट लेबर, tourists or pilgrims.
The Health Ministry in its daily press briefing on Friday said that 1,993 new confirmed coronavirus cases were reported nationwide in the last 24 hours, taking India's total number of COVID-19 cases to 35,043. In the last 24 hours, 554 patients recovered, taking the total number of recoveries in India to 8,888. India's recovery rate now stands at 25.37%. The centre has informed states that with recovery rates increasing, there will be a weekly revision in the classification of hotspots or containment zones. The government said districts were earlier designated as red, orange or green zones based on the cumulative cases reported and the doubling rate. But now this classification will have to be revised, taking into consideration the incidence of cases, the doubling rate, the extent of testing along with the surveillance feedback. The government added that even though classification will be revised weekly, restrictions will not be lifted.
Congress leader Abhishek Manu Singhvi has hit out at the centre's guidelines for state governments to move migrant labour stranded due to the lockdown to their home states. Singhvi said the centre's order is arbitrary and tughlaki. He added that running of a special train for migrants is a knee-jerk reaction and too little too late. If buses are used, it will take 3 years to move these migrants from different corners of the country, Singhvi said.
The centre has released an updated list of red, orange and green zones in the country based on the spread of coronavirus. All the metros in big cities including Delhi, Mumbai, Kolkata, Ahmedabad, Hyderabad, Chennai have been classified as red zones. A total of 130 districts have been classified as red zones while 284 have been marked orange and 319 green. Districts with high growth of cases are categorized as red, those with fewer cases of respiratory infection are orange while those with no coronavirus cases are green. Delhi Chief Minister Arvind Kejriwal on Friday said that plasma therapy is showing good results on COVID-19 patient. He informed that the first patient who was cured using plasma therapy was discharged on Thursday. The Chief Minister pointed out that the patient was earlier critical and was admitted to ICU but got better with plasma therapy.
हमने कुछ चंद मरीजों को प्लाज्मा थेरेपी दी, उनमें पहला मरीज कल ठीक होकर अपने घर चला गया प्लाज्मा थेरेपी की वजह से, जो कि सीरियस था, काफ़ी सीरियस था, आईसीयू में था, लेकिन कल वो ठीक होकर अपने घर चले गए हैं।
In a breather for Maharashtra Chief Minister Uddhav Thackeray, the Election Commission has decided to hold polls to the Legislative Council on May 21st.
Maharashtra governor had on Thursday requested the Election Commission to hold the polls after Thackeray complained to Prime Minister Modi, claiming bid to destabilize the state government. Since Uddhav is not a member of either house of the state legislature, he needs to be elected to the council before May 27th. Polls were delayed due to the coronavirus outbreak.
Goa Chief Minister Pramod Sawant has said that with efforts of Corona warriors and support of the people, the state has now been classified as a green zone by the central government. But exercising caution, Goa will not be opening its state borders with neighbouring states, Maharashtra and Karnataka, until coronaviruses in these affected states are under control.
Movement between Delhi and Gurugram has been further restricted from Friday after Haryana administration made transit rules stringent. Now no cross-border travel will be allowed, barring only the transport carrying essential items. List of exemptions include government staff, ambulances, vehicles carrying fruits and vegetables or medical supplies. Now even media persons won't be allowed to travel from Delhi to Gurugram.